Okay, Marley, I am going to make a cup of tea. So, first, I just take my tea bag. Can you say tea bag?
Tea bag.
Good, tea bag. And I put it in my cup of hot water. And I just leave it for a minute here. And then I take my milk, because in England, people actually drink tea with milk. So I take my milk.
Milk.
Good, milk, well done. And I pour it in. Oh no. We don't have any milk left, but we still have loads of tea bags. I have an idea. We could make a box to keep our tea bags in. We could make a tea box. I will show you how to do it. Hello everyone, and welcome to Crafty Hands. My name is Chris Cole, this is Marley, and today we are going to make a tea box. So, the first thing you'll need here is a milk carton. And you will also need a ruler, some scissors, a knife, a pen, some glue, a paintbrush, some ribbon, a picture, and some decorations. Okay, the first thing you need to do is take your milk carton and you are going to need to cut the top off. Can you say top, Marley?
Top.
Good, top. And do you know what this part is called? This is the bottom. So you have the top, the bottom, and the sides. Okay, top.
Top.
Good. Bottom.
Bottom.
Good. And sides.
Sides.
Excellent. Well done, Marley. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is cut the top off. Now, remember, be careful when you are using your knife because it is very sharp. So all you do is cut around the top here, like this. Okay, so just cut around the top here, like this. Okay, so once you've cut the top off of your milk carton, it will look like this. I have painted mine as well, so you can paint yours whatever color you want. So cut the top off, it will look like this now, okay? What you need to do next is you need to cut a hole in the side to take your tea out of, which I will show you later. This shape needs to be a trapezoid. Can you say trapezoid?
Trapezoid.
Close, trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
Good, well done. And I will show you this shape now. So again, take your knife and very carefully just cut this shape from the front. Okay. Okay. This is a trapezoid. This shape here is a trapezoid. Okay. So it looks like this, Marley, you see? Yeah, like this. Okay. Now I have cut this shape out, I need to make a top for my tea box, or a lid for my tea box, okay? And to do this, just take some plain card, and you need to draw this pattern on the other side, okay? You must cut these parts, okay? Any part with lines in, you must cut. And when it is finished, it will look like this. Okay? See here, we have cut the corners out. If you look together, you can see the parts that have been cut. Okay? Right. Once we have done that, we can fold our lid together. And to do this, what we do is we take our lid and fold in the sides. Fold again, like this. And then fold these parts over and fold around. Okay, I will show you once I have finished. It will look like this. You see? See, Marley, I have the top here. Say for me, top.
Top.
Good, good. And what is the opposite of top? Can you remember? Bottom.
Bottom.
Good, well done. So, your lid will look like this. I have one here that I made earlier and painted so that it matches our box. Okay, so here is the top. on here. Here is the bottom, and here is the hole for our tea. Now, we can decorate our box. So first, what we will do is we have some double-sided tape here and some glue here, okay? And first, what we are going to do is put our ribbon on with double-sided tape. So,
Ribbon.
good, ribbon, well done, Marley. Do you remember this word, yeah?
Ribbon.
Ribbon, good, ribbon. Once more.
Ribbon.
Good, well done, okay? So, to do this, all we do is we take our double-sided tape like this and our scissors and we cut some pieces. Like this. And we just stick on our box. One more. Okay. Then we peel our double-sided tape off. Like this. Remember, if you have any problems with any of this, don't forget you can ask your parents to help you. Okay? Then we just take our ribbon and put on our double-sided tape, like this. Okay, like this. We have one. Don't forget, we also have our picture here. So we are going to put this here, okay? So again, just a small piece of double-sided tape. Peel this off. Put our picture on. Then we need to do our second piece of ribbon. This one will go around the bottom, down here, like this. Okay, now I am going to decorate my box with this. Marley, do you know what this is? This is fruit tea. Say for me, fruit tea.
Fruit tea.
Good, well done. Fruit tea. Fruit tea is delicious. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick fruit tea on the front of my box like this, okay? So all I do, take my double-sided tape and my scissors, cut some off, stick on the ribbon like this, like this, and just stick some fruit tea on the front like this. Okay, what you can do is just take a handful and just press down like this, okay? And then any that isn't stuck, you can just shake back into the box like this, okay? So just make sure all of your fruit tea is stuck on here. Now we are almost ready. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to put my tea bags into my tea box, okay? So all I do is take my tea bags. Can you say tea bag, Marley?
Tea bag.
Good, tea bag. So I just take my tea bags and I drop them inside like this, okay? And I put my lid on like this. All I do is pull one tea bag through the front like this. Now we have finished our tea box. Our tea bags are inside. Let me show you how it works, Marley. All we do is we just pull our tea bags out of the front when we want some tea. Okay, we just put it back in like that. Okay, so if you also made a wonderful tea box like this one, why not take a picture and send it to us at this address here? Also, if you have any good ideas, write them down and send them to us too. And maybe, you never know, we might make it with you. Okay. Okay, Marley, so let's try and remember the words from today. The first word, can you remember? It was tea bag. Say for me, tea bag.
Tea bag.
Good. And with our tea bag, we had some milk. Say for me, milk.
Milk.
Milk, good. And then we had the top of the carton, the bottom of the carton, and the sides of the carton. So say for me, top.
Top.
Good. And bottom.
Bottom.
Good. And sides.
Sides.
Good. Then we cut a shape on the front. Can you remember the name of that shape? That shape was a trapezoid. Say for me.
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid, good. And then we stuck some ribbon around the sides. Say ribbon.
Ribbon.
Good. And then at the end, we put some fruit tea on the front, didn't we? So say for me, fruit tea.
Fruit tea.
Good.